Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are making the best hot chocolate at home. Now, I'm going to give you my warning. This hot chocolate is extremely rich. It has a lot of sugar because I'm using condensed milk and sugar. It has cream and it has tons of chocolate. It basically tastes like a melted candy bar. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by chopping all of my chocolate. So I have some dark chocolate I'm using, a little bit of semi-sweet chocolate, and then I'm also using a little bit of milk chocolate. Now I'm going to take 4 cups of milk, 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream, along with my sugar and my condensed milk. I'm going to bring this to a simmer in the saucepan for about 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to whisk in about 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, and then I'll start adding in all of my chocolate. So again, I'm using dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and a little bit of semi-sweet chocolate. So I'm just going to whisk everything together just for a few minutes, and then you'll start to see this thicken, and then once that happens, I'll just turn it off and it's ready to serve. Now to top off my hot chocolate, I'm using dark chocolate, a little bit of whipped cream, marshmallows, and peppermints. Guys, this hot chocolate is so thick and it's so good. It literally tastes like a melted candy bar. And this is also something that's really fun to make with kids, especially since the holidays are here. This is just something fun you can do with them as well. My oh my, this is literally dessert in a cup. It is the best hot chocolate. I think so anyway. Please let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.